what do I do if my client want a bunch of industry-specific language? A lot of times this will be called technobabble or proprietary language. Only someone who is very well-versed and well-informed on that particular subject is going to understand. What do I do if that's what my client wants? Our clients often assume that their audiences know and understand much more than they actually do. And they really need to think about at what level of comprehension is their target audience. When I feel like it's not a good fit for the audience, is I turn it back to the client and I say, I understand that I'm writing for you, but I'm writing to your audience. So when I decide what language and words and terms to use, it's always gonna go in favor of who the audience is, what they're thinking and feeling right now, and what's going to do the best job of moving them to that next step of action that you want for them. So let's talk together about what comprehension or understanding level your average audience member has when it comes to your proprietary language or technical terms.